Alright y'all, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Ublock Origin after it was removed from the Chrome Web Store. Okay, so here I am on my computer. You're going to want to right click on your Google Chrome, go to its properties, take this out. It won't be in here for you, but you're going to take, not take it out, but you're going to want to go to the end of the Chrome spot right here. Put a space and then paste this in. I'll put it in the description, and then you're just going to press apply and OK. Close and reopen your Chrome browser, and then you'll see it will let you, actually I think you have to search it. If you search Ublock Origin's website, it will let you download it again after you paste that in. You won't even have to download like the manifest or anything. It just lets you download it straight off the store again. As always, if y'all enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an upload. And I will see y'all in the next one.